Hello guys, welcome to History Tech, and today we are going to test the battery of these two mobile phones. We have the Galaxy Note 8 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. So basically the Galaxy Note 8 came out 2 years ago and it has 3300 milliamperes battery, whilst the Galaxy Note 10 Plus have a really massive 4300 milliamperes battery. So there's kind of like 1000 milliamperes battery difference between the two, but we're gonna test how long you can use this Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because this is kind of a new phone with massive batteries. So we're gonna test that out, and yeah, just to make sure we are testing the battery properly, we're gonna use a timer here with that bit, and we make sure that everything is, so we should have the vibration on there, okay, and full brightness as well, okay. So we're just gonna test it now. They have the same account, by the way, and everything, so we'll see how long you can use the battery. So they both have 100%. Okay, and it's now 9 o'clock if we start the test now. So it's already 9 o'clock, so both of them is no longer charged, and we're gonna run the test from now until one of these phone will get flat. Yeah, I'm not sure because I haven't tested the battery of this Galaxy Note 10 Plus, so this is the first time I'm gonna do it. And yeah, I'm gonna film it for you. It might take all day because it's really massive battery, and why not? Okay, so we will do like everyday thing we normally do, like internet, YouTube, games and everything, alright? Right, so we have been running the test since 9 o'clock. It's now 30 minutes since we started it, and the actual phone itself, Note 10 Plus, it has 91%, and the Note 8, it has 89% left. And yeah, so for that long, half an hour, you're looking on losing at least 10% of your battery. Don't be confused, we use the word percent because that's how you indicate that's how you read the battery of mobile phone. It doesn't mean it's 10% of 100 or something, but it's kind of how you read the battery itself. So we have 91% for the Note 10 Plus and 89% for the Note 8. We're gonna keep going, and yeah, I'll let you know. Alright, speak to you in a bit. Okay, so just another update now, and you will be surprised because we've been running it for 4 hours and 49 minutes. It's nearly 5 hours since we started the test, and now after all the like playing games, internet and stuff like that, and playing YouTube and everything, and I can see that the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is now starting to go down a lot. So it's 1 o'clock, 10 to 2 now, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 only have 10% left to use, and with the Note 10 Plus you still have 43%, which is really impressive. And I mean, I thought because it's only 1000 milliamperes anyway, it should have been more than 10% rather than like a lot lower than that. But yeah, we're gonna keep going, and the timer is still going anyway. So it's 4 hours and 50 minutes, and we're still gonna keep doing what we're doing, and we will go from there. And yeah, we will see how long will it take for this Note 8 to go really flat. Alright, right, so yeah, let's see. Alright, so just an update for you guys. It's now 5 hours and 17 minutes since we started running the test. And just to give you an update about the Galaxy Note 8, it's now 1%, and this is quite warm as well, compared to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Yeah, so the Galaxy Note 8 will be disappear soon. It will be flat very soon, so we're just waiting for that to go down. Actually, I mean, so we're just waiting for that to turn off completely, and we are going to go ahead and see how long we can use the Galaxy Note 10 Plus from now. It's been 5 hours, and hopefully we can use at least 8 hours, let's say, or a little bit more for this Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But bear in mind that this Galaxy, or these two phones, have the brightness on all the time, Bluetooth, vibrate, and Wi-Fi. Yeah, so those things uses a lot of power anyway, or the battery. So we're going to see how long we can use the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, right? So let's keep playing until the Galaxy Note 8 turns itself off. Okay, so that's the end of the Galaxy Note 8. It's completely dead. It just turned itself off, and yeah, so it's the Galaxy Note 8. We're just gonna see if it is completely flat. So it's around 5 hours and 25 minutes. So let me just try to unlock that one. Alright, hold on. Okay, so it's completely turned off. We'll probably try to go up, but that's how it is. So it's 5 hours and 25 minutes. So if you have a Galaxy Note 8 and it's been 2 years, or you've been using it for 2 years, that's gonna be how long you can use your Galaxy Note 8. Alright, yeah, so it's completely dead. So that's so completely dead. And with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, we're just gonna keep going. So the Galaxy Note 8, it's now, yeah, so it's completely dead. There's nothing there at all. Yeah, so it's 5 hours and 25 minutes, and we're gonna keep going for the Galaxy 10 Plus. Okay, this is very interesting now. So it's been 8 hours since we're running the test, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is still actually going on. It has 5% left, so after 8 hours you still have 5% left to use for any sort of thing you want to do at the end of the day. So it's still going through. Yeah, we're gonna keep going until it gets really flat. Alright, okay, so we've been running the test since 9 o'clock this morning. It's now 8 hours and 19 minutes, and it's now 1%. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus is now 1%, and we are just waiting for it to completely shut down. Basically, you can use your phone from 9 o'clock until, what time is it now? 5 o'clock in the afternoon, full brightness with the Wi-Fi, screen constantly on, and yeah, I'm over the moon because you can use it for up to that 8 hours and a little bit more. But if you have less brightness, and of course you turn the phone or lock it or put it in sleep mode once in a while, that will be longer than 8 hours. So this phone is now completely dead. I can feel the vibration, and that's the end of the test. Okay, right, so that's the end of the test. So for the Galaxy Note 8 we have 5 hours and 25 minutes, but with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus we have at least 8 hours and 20 minutes. That is a really good phone. This is the best battery, and this is the best phone I've ever had so far. In terms of what it can do, the pen itself is really good, and the battery is one of the good things. And if you are happy with your Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, give me a shout, and because I am 100% happy with this one. The battery is really good, number one for me. Okay, so hopefully you like the video, and let me know what you think. How long do you use your phone normally? And this one here is just the test, and I want to put it into test because I want to know how long I can use my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, so that's the end of the test, and hopefully if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, so see you on the next video. Bye bye.